In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale an object using the cursor icon. If you've ever needed to make something a little bigger or a little smaller without distorting it, this quick walkthrough is for you. We're focusing on a simple, reliable workflow that keeps your layout clean and your results consistent using just the cursor icon and the scale option. First, go to the cursor icon. This is your primary tool for interacting with items on the screen, and it's usually visible in the main toolbar. It often looks like a standard arrow and is the place you start when you need to move, transform, or otherwise adjust elements. Opening this ensures you're in the right context to access basic transformation controls without switching into a specialized mode that might change other settings. Next, click on Scale. You'll typically see Scale listed with other transform tools like Rotate or Distort, but Scale is the one designed specifically for resizing. Choosing Scale tells the software you want to change size while keeping the element's structure intact. After you click, you'll notice the interface focus shift to scaling controls. This might look like a bounding box, percentage fields, or a dedicated panel, each of which is simply a way of controlling how much bigger or smaller things become. The key idea is that scale centers the action on size, not position or angle. Now you can adjust the size. At this stage, the interface will give you clear visual or numerical feedback as you increase or decrease dimensions. You might see a live preview, a percentage readout, or dimensions updating as you refine the scale. If your project uses vector shapes, scaling will remain crisp at any size. If you're working with raster images, be mindful that enlarging too much can introduce softness. Many tools preserve proportions automatically when scaling, so width and height change together for a consistent look. If your layout depends on precise alignment, keep an eye on the edges and spacing while you adjust, and watch any guides or rulers that appear so elements remain visually balanced. As you scale, consider how negative space, text legibility, and overall hierarchy adapt to the new size. Often, a subtle change is all that's needed to achieve better emphasis without overwhelming the rest of the design. That's the full process. Go to the cursor icon, click on Scale, and then adjust the size. Keep it simple, trust the visual feedback, and you'll get clean, predictable results every time.